Hey everyone, my name is Max, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I wanted to show you a thing that helped me save some valuable space in my tiny studio. And yeah, welcome to my new studio, my old new studio, because technically it's the same room, but it's been completely rebuilt and it is now much more efficient than it was before. Later, at some point, I'll make another video and show you everything in details, but this is the first video made in the new studio, and today I want to talk about Gravity Vari-G guitar stand, one of the elements that made this space much more efficient. And by the way, if you haven't subscribed to my Instagram yet, I'd really appreciate if you do, because that's where you can find beautiful guitar close-ups, quick shootouts and demos on many different things, as well as regular updates on what's going on here and what I'm currently working on. Alright, now back to the video. This is what my studio looks like right now. It is still tiny, and I believe many of you can relate because sometimes it is quite a challenge to accommodate all the guitars, pedals and amps in a tiny apartment. But at least now I don't need to jump around stuff on my way from the door to my chair. So how exactly did this thing help me? Well, to answer that question, I'll have to do what I do best. Take some measurements. Here's my old, no-name multi-guitar stand, which is now replaced by a Vari-G stand that you can partially see here, and all I need to do is to measure its width, which is 86 centimeters or 34 inches, and this stand is meant for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 guitars. This is the Gravity Vari-G 7 stand for 7 guitars as well, and its width is 82 centimeters or 32 inches. So now what? Watch me. You can actually move these holding clips any way you want around the stand, so it's like a transformer. You can also remove one if you don't need it, or get some replacement parts and increase the capacity of this guitar stand, which is exactly what I've done. Okay, now let's see how many guitars it's going to be able to accommodate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 guitars and a bass. 10 altogether. So I now can have 40% more guitars on the same amount of real estate. That's quite an optimization. Okay, but what about this? This is the Gravity Vari-G 9 stand for 9 guitars. And usually on this channel I take things apart and show you what's inside. But today I'm about to do something completely different, for a change, and put something together. This guitar stand. And let's begin with opening the box. Okay, we have a goodie bag here. And here's my favorite, a screwdriver. A message from the manufacturer. And so-called G-rings, which exist in many different colors, but here we have black ones. And the same set of green rings is already installed, just as it is here on the screwdriver. Screws to put it all together. 2 pretty long tubes. A box in the box. Okay, here we have the clips. 9 of them. What else? 2 more tubes. Okay, that must be one of the legs. And here's another one. A manual, and that's it. Okay, now how do I put it together? Alright, let's go. I need to connect these 2 padded tubes to the legs with a couple of screws. Okay, this thing is bigger than I thought. I have to say, this tool is really helpful. Okay, step 1 done, what's next? Now, these 2 bars need to be connected. The stand is now upside down and one of them goes to the bottom, the other one to the top. Okay, that was one. That was 2. if you don't like green rings, you can always remove them or replace them with any other color. I have installed all 9 clips, but I still have some replacement parts left, and I kinda wish that a couple of spare clips were included, because obviously more than 9 can fit here. Alright, that will do. Now let's see how many guitars this guitar stand will be able to take. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 guitars. That's insane. So yeah, Gravity stands definitely helped me to reorganize my studio space and make it more convenient. So if you're looking for a guitar stand for a studio or home, they're definitely worth checking. They have stands for 3, 5, 7 and 9 guitars, and we already know that they're able to accommodate more. They also have wall hangers, which I'll definitely show you in one of the next videos. As always, I'll give you all the links below, and I'd really appreciate if you check them even if you don't need a guitar stand, because every time those links are used, it supports my channel. And I think that's it for today. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for the next video. Hey, you've reached the end of the video, and I really appreciate that. I hope you enjoyed it. I actually want to get to know you guys, so before you go, please leave me a comment below. Just, say where you're from, what is your favorite guitar or guitar pedal, and how you came across my channel. If you want to support what I do, other than Patreon, there's another easy and free way to do that. Simply show this video to one of your guitar friends who it may be interesting to, and share it, the video, not a friend, in guitar groups and communities on social media. There's never too many views, and that would really help me a lot. And other than that, thanks again, and I'll see you in the next video someday soon.